Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. Friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, this video is very creative and it contains a very wide variety of different design ideas. That is how you can use your art of knitting with the help of crochet or any type of other knitting material like knitting pens, and you can make a remarkable impact in your fashion sense and fashion gallery. So now I will not drag it further. The video collection is about crochet flowers and the different creative DIY ideas that what you can do with the help of these crochet flowers. Then the answer to this question is very easy, and it has a very broad concept that with the help of these crochet flowers you can make earrings, you can make pendants, you can make rings, and this was the concept of jewelry. And you can pair up these very beautifully designed handmade crochet flower based jewelry with your very beautiful, funky, bright, decent and attractive eye-catching dresses of summer to look more classy and cool as well at the same time. So this was how you can design these very beautifully crochet flowers to make your jewelry. Now the scope of these flowers is not only limited to making jewelry. You can also make keychains. You can also design your mobile accessories like mobile cases with the help of these flowers. To give a more creative, artistic and fancy touch, you can decorate them with the help of pearls, beads, mirrorwork and stones as well. You can attach these very beautifully designed crochet flowers onto your bags, handbags to create a more creative and stylish, fashionable look. You can use wool or staple or some cotton thread for making these very beautiful crochet flowers. All of these are very beautiful and they are totally based on very easy patterns. Absolutely favorable for beginners as well. I suggest that beginners must start making these flowers with their crochet. And not only this, you can also use these very beautiful crochet flowers for designing your dresses, for an all-over spray of these flowers onto your shirt as buttons onto your shirt neckline, or for designing your baby girl dresses, frocks, shirts, skirts and much more baby girl accessories like ponchos, cardigans and warm wool knitted fabrics, sweater stuff. So thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you soon back on my channel. If you really like my designs, kindly don't forget to press the like button, and if you are new, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Take care, Allah Hafiz and Jazakallah for watching.